Let's compare the Beoplay EQ against the Devialet Gemini earbuds. Depending on which part of the world you are buying these from, the price will vary. But here in Australia, the Beoplay EQ costs $50 to $80 more than the Devialet Gemini earbuds, which makes the Devialet Gemini the winner of this round. Out of the box, the earbuds come with pretty much the same stuff, but the Beoplay EQ has an additional medium-sized ear tip that is made out of memory foam. This will help immensely with fit if you take your earbuds out for a run. For this reason, the Beoplay EQ wins this round. Side by side, the Beoplay EQ's case has a much more slimmer profile and are also more lighter. This makes them more pocket-friendly than the Devialet Gemini, and that is why the Beoplay EQ wins this round. The Beoplay EQ's case has hard anodized aluminum in spacecraft-grade quality, and on the other hand, the Devialet Gemini has an all-plastic body in a matte black finish. And on the earbud side, the Beoplay EQ is IP54 rated dust and splash resistant, which is very similar to Devialet Gemini's IPX4 water resistant rating. However, the Beoplay EQ earbuds are more durable and feels a lot more premium because it uses the same material of its case on the outside of its earbuds, whereas the Devialet Gemini earbuds are all plastic and feels kind of like any regular earbuds. This is why the Beoplay EQ wins this round. The way the Devialet Gemini sits on your ears, I guess it will be good for people with big or medium-sized ears, because the tail end of the earbud does want to sit on the ridge of the bone over your earlobe. So if this space is smaller, I do not think you will feel very comfortable. And the Beoplay EQ earbuds have a nozzle that goes inside the ear canals in a certain angle, giving a proper seal while leaving the bulk of the earbud hanging outside the ear, which makes it more comfortable to wear. And to add to that, every part of the earbud that touches your ear is covered with a soft-to-touch material which can significantly reduce wear fatigue. And that is why the Beoplay EQ wins this round. Both the cases support wireless charging and can be fast charged from 0 to 100% within the 1.5 hour mark. Though both the earbud with the case have a total playtime of 24 hours, on the earbud, the Beoplay EQ can last 7 hours with ANC on, while the Devialet Gemini can only last 6 hours. That is why the Beoplay EQ wins this round. Both these earbuds have touch controls and features such as auto-pausing the music when the earbuds are taken off the ears. But the Devialet Gemini's touch experience is not that great. First of all, it is way too sensitive. The slightest of touch will make something happen, which is very irritating. Whereas the Beoplay EQ has a bigger touch surface and the response of the touch gestures feel much more natural, which makes the Beoplay EQ the winner of this round. And in terms of connectivity, both the earbuds support SBC, AAC and aptX adaptive codec. But the Gemini earbuds only supports Bluetooth 5.0, whereas the EQ supports Bluetooth 5.2, and that makes the Beoplay EQ the winner of this round. Devialet has given active noise cancellation to the Gemini earbuds, which can be controlled via the app. They work pretty well in regular scenarios like cancelling out your morning traffic noise or background office chatter. The transparency mode is also good as it lets the surrounding sound in, but there is a constant static feedback that you will get, which I am not a big fan of, but it does get the job done. On the other hand, the Beoplay EQ cancels the higher bass range frequency a bit better than the Gemini earbuds. But the Beoplay EQ does a better job in noise reduction when it's windy. Plus, it also has 3 modes to let in ambient sound, all of which does not give any unnecessary feedback, which makes the Beoplay EQ the winner of this round again. The Devialet Gemini earbuds plays Beauty and the Beast with the sound quality depending on the ANC mode of the earbud. If you have the ANC off or transparency mode on, then these earbuds sound like any ordinary earbuds. But turn the ANC on and then you will get a completely different sounding earbud. It immediately gets an upgrade on the accuracy on all frequency levels. I could tell when every note started and when they finished, as they sounded so crisp. There is so much clarity between each individual layer in songs that even complex tracks sound really good. You will get a very tight and bass forward sound, and the emphasis on the mids are also optimal for any genre of music. But the Beoplay EQ does not have any issues with sound quality depending on its ANC mode. They always sound like a pair of premium earbuds. They are the best in the business right now if you're looking for accuracy in your music. They may not be as loud as the Gemini earbuds, but they will make up for that by having the best in class harmonic distortion. What this means is, no matter how much you push the volume up and stress out its driver, the sound does not deviate much from the original source. And that is all thanks to B&O's legendary tuning. For this reason, I would recommend the EQs in a heartbeat to anyone who's serious about their sound. So no surprises here that the Beoplay EQ wins this round also. Testing the microphone of the Beoplay EQ. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Testing the microphone of the Devialet Gemini headphones. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. As you just heard that the Beoplay EQ is much better at taking calls outdoors than the Devialet Gemini earbuds, as they cancel out more background noise while making the voice sound more natural, and that is why the Beoplay EQ wins this round. So as you can see that it is a landslide victory for the Beoplay EQ. If you can spend the extra dough, then the Beoplay EQ is a much better buy in every aspect. They look good, they support wireless charging and all the popular codecs, and they do all this while having a much better soundstage, better instrument separation and better frequency extension into the lows and highs. There really is no contest between the EQs and the Gemini earbuds, as Bang & Olufsen has done a stellar job with the EQ. But that's it from me today. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafi signing off till next week. Peace.